Melisa is cleaning home. Melisa wakes up early in the morning. The sun is shining. She opens the window. Fresh air comes into the room. Melisa smiles. Today she wants to clean her home. Her apartment is small but cozy. She likes when everything is clean. She drinks a cup of tea first. Then she starts working. Melisa goes to the bedroom. She makes the bed. She puts the pillows nicely. She folds the blanket. The bed looks very tidy now. She takes her clothes from the chair. Some clothes go into the wardrobe. Some clothes go into the laundry basket. She finds a missing sock. She laughs a little. While she's cleaning, her phone rings. She looks at the screen. It is her friend calling. Melisa answers the phone. She says, "Hi, I am cleaning now." She says she is busy at the moment. She asks her friend to call later. Then she goes back to work. Next, Melisa cleans the living room. She picks up books from the floor. She puts the books on the shelf. She cleans the table. She wipes the dust. The room already looks better. Melisa turns on some music. She likes cleaning with music. It gives her energy. She even dances a little while wiping the table. While cleaning, Melisa finds an old photo. It is on the table near the sofa. She stops and looks at it for a moment. It is a happy memory, and she smiles. Then she puts the photo carefully in a drawer. Near the window, she sees her plants. She waters them one by one. The leaves look fresh and green after the water. Next, Melisa takes the carpet. She goes outside with it. The weather is warm and nice. She walks to the grass near the building. There, she shakes the carpet strongly. Dust falls onto the grass. Melisa feels satisfied. Then she carries the carpet back inside. After that, she cleans the mirror in the hallway. She wipes it slowly with a cloth. Now she can see her face clearly. Now she goes to the kitchen. There are some dirty plates. She washes the dishes. She cleans the sink. She opens the fridge. She throws away old food. She wipes the kitchen table. She puts vegetables in a box. Now the fridge is clean too. Melisa checks the time on the clock. It is almost noon. Her stomach feels a little hungry. She takes a small apple. She eats it and drinks some water. Before finishing, she opens one more drawer. Inside, she finds some old keys. She does not remember what they open. Then she laughs quietly. Then she puts the keys in a small box. Melisa takes a broom. She sweeps the floor. Then she uses a mop. The floor becomes shiny. The house smells fresh. Melisa is a bit tired, but she feels happy. The cleaning is over now. She sits on the sofa. She makes another cup of tea. She looks around the house. Everything is clean now. Melisa feels calm and happy because she cleaned her home. She loves having a clean home. Thanks for watching. And what does your cleaning routine look like? Tell me in the comments. Subscribe to my channel and watch more stories about Melisa's daily life. See you next time.